What makes a great camping trip? Is it waking up at the crack of dawn? If you're a morning person like me, then maybe.
Simon, are you hungry?
Or maybe it's the people that you get to experience this with.
There you go. Good boy.
Or in my case, my cat Simon. Or maybe it's stuffing your car as packed as possible. Or maybe it's the journey to the destination. I know one thing's for sure, out here, you feel incredible. And on my latest camping trip, I brought along some of my friends that, well, let's just say, they like to bring around the party. I really loved this camping trip because it gave me an opportunity to get to know the people that I brought along with me better. I'm known as JJ Buffet for a reason because I like to eat.
I'm grilling.
And having great equipment to grill on makes it even that much better.
Love the sunset. It really makes me glow. I pretty much know when I'm not supposed to eat something if Simon doesn't eat.
That cat never leaves you alone, especially when you're eating. What I love most about camping is out here you can be whoever you want to be, like a kid at heart. I can't say we're the best dancers, but we definitely gave it our all. And Simon even danced too. I always gotta have my desserts. And campfire marshmallows, oh man, are they good. It's always good to bring friends who are jokesters so that they can provide all the entertainment for you, and all you have to do is just laugh. Games are essential. We gotta play Twister. Now, I have not played Twister in years, and well, it pretty much looked like that. At the end of any camping trip is a beautiful night under a starlit sky. And this camping trip definitely didn't disappoint. The Coleman darkroom tent has a technology to keep the tent cooler and allow you to actually sleep in. So when the morning finally came, that's exactly what I did. I slept in. When I open up the zipper and I go outside and I see the first sun rays hitting me in the morning, I really remember why I went camping in the first place. So what makes a great camping adventure? Well, I'm gonna leave that up to you to decide, because there's so many factors that can go into it. But I will tell you this one thing, bringing good food, good friends, and great equipment with you is definitely gonna make the journey that much better.